The AI Gold Rush, your ticket to financial freedom. Imagine earning thousands of dollars a month working from anywhere in the world on your own schedule. This isn't a fantasy. This is the reality of the AI side hustle revolution happening right now. With the power of artificial intelligence, you can unlock incredible income streams in fields like content creation, design, and automation. This isn't about replacing your job yet. This is about using AI to boost your income and create the life you've always dreamed of. Ready to join the AI Gold Rush? Let's dive in. The rise of the AI content creators. In today's fast-paced digital world, the demand for fresh, engaging content is higher than ever. Traditional methods of content creation can be time-consuming and often require a high level of skill and creativity. But now, AI is stepping in to revolutionize the way we create content. Content is king, and AI is its new queen. With the advent of advanced AI algorithms, machines are now capable of producing high-quality written content that rivals human creativity. These AI tools are not just limited to generating text, they can also help with editing, proofreading, and even optimizing content for search engines. AI tools are changing the game for bloggers, marketers, and anyone who needs to create engaging written content. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can help you brainstorm ideas, draft articles, and even suggest improvements to your writing. This is no longer a futuristic dream, but a present-day reality. Imagine generating high-quality blog posts, social media updates, and even entire ebooks with just a few clicks. AI content creation tools can analyze vast amounts of data to understand trends and preferences, ensuring that your content is not only well-written but also highly relevant to your audience. That's the power of AI content creation tools. They can save you countless hours of work and allow you to focus on other important aspects of your business or creative projects. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large marketing team, these tools can be a game changer. And the best part? You don't need to be a writing whiz to take advantage. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces that make it easy for anyone to get started. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you can quickly learn how to use these tools to enhance your content creation process. AI writing assistants act like your personal wordsmiths, helping you overcome writer's block, improve your writing style, and produce content at lightning speed. They can suggest synonyms, rephrase sentences, and even generate entire paragraphs based on your input. This can be incredibly helpful when you're stuck or need a fresh perspective. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, AI content creation tools can supercharge your productivity and help you reach a wider audience. By leveraging the power of AI, you can produce more content in less time, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating and sharing your unique voice with the world. Crafting compelling copy with AI. Want to write sales copy that converts like crazy? Struggling to find the right words to capture your audience's attention and drive them to take action? You're not alone. Many people find it challenging to create compelling copy that stands out in today's crowded digital landscape. AI can help with that too. Imagine having a tool that not only understands the nuances of language, but also knows what works best in your industry. AI-powered copywriting tools are designed to do just that. AI-powered copywriting tools analyze successful marketing campaigns and use that data to generate high-performing copy for websites, ads, and even email marketing campaigns. These tools can sift through mountains of data in seconds, identifying patterns and trends that would take a human hours, if not days, to uncover. Don't spend hours agonizing over the perfect headline or call to action. We've all been there, staring at a blank screen, trying to come up with something that will grab attention and drive engagement. It's frustrating and time-consuming. Let AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on the bigger picture. With AI handling the grunt work, you can spend more time strategizing, planning, and executing your marketing campaigns. Imagine the relief of knowing that your copy is optimized for success, without the endless hours of trial and error. These tools can help you identify your target audience, craft compelling messages that resonate, and ultimately drive more sales. By understanding your audience's preferences and behaviors, AI can tailor your copy to speak directly to them, increasing the likelihood of conversion. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or marketing professional, AI copywriting tools are a game changer for anyone looking to boost their bottom line. They offer a competitive edge, allowing you to produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. So why not give AI a try and see how it can transform your copywriting process? Designing the future with AI. Think design is just for artists? Think again. AI design tools are making it easier than ever for anyone to create stunning visuals, even without any prior design experience. Need a new logo for your business? No problem. Want to create eye-catching graphics for your social media? AI can help. These tools use sophisticated algorithms to generate unique designs based on your specifications. You can customize colors, fonts, and layouts with ease, giving you complete control over the creative process. With AI design tools, you can unleash your inner artist and elevate your brand to the next level. Time is money, right? AI automation can free up your time by taking over tedious and repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more important things like counting your cash. From scheduling appointments and managing emails to even coding websites and analyzing data, AI automation is transforming the way we work and live. Imagine having an AI assistant that books meetings, responds to customer inquiries, and manages your social media accounts, all while you're sipping cocktails on a beach. That's the power of AI automation. By automating tasks, you can boost your productivity, reduce errors, and ultimately earn more money in less time. Ready to start your own AI-powered side hustle? Whether you're looking to supplement your income or turn your passion into a full-time career, this guide will help you navigate the exciting world of AI entrepreneurship. Here's a simple guide to get you started. Follow these steps to build a successful AI side hustle from scratch. Step 1. Identify your niche. This is the foundation of your side hustle. What are you passionate about? Think about the things that excite you and keep you motivated. What skills do you have? Assess your strengths and consider how they can be applied in the AI space. Find an area where your interests and abilities intersect with the power of AI. This sweet spot is where you'll find the most satisfaction and success. Step 2. Research AI tools. The right tools can make all the difference. There are countless AI tools available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to find the ones that best fit your needs and budget. Explore different options, read reviews, and compare features. And experiment with free trials. This will give you hands-on experience and help you make an informed decision. Step 3. Develop your skills. Continuous learning is key in the fast-evolving field of AI. While AI tools can automate many tasks, understanding the underlying principles will give you a competitive edge. It's still important to have a basic understanding of the underlying principles. Take online courses, attend webinars, and read up on the latest trends. Or watch tutorials to enhance your skills. The more you know, the better you'll be able to leverage AI in your side hustle. Step 4. Market your services. Now that you're equipped with the right tools and skills, it's time to let the world know what you can offer. Once you're confident in your abilities, you need to build your brand and attract clients. It's time to start finding clients. Attend networking events, join online communities, and reach out to potential clients directly. Create a professional website or portfolio, network with potential customers, and showcase your best work, and leverage social media to showcase your expertise. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram can be powerful tools for reaching your target audience. Step 5. Deliver exceptional results. Your reputation is everything, and in the world of AI, word of mouth can be incredibly powerful. So always strive to exceed client expectations, provide high-quality work, communicate effectively, and be reliable. Happy clients will not only return but also refer you to others, helping you grow your side hustle into a thriving business. Don't just take our word for it. Real people are already making serious cash with AI side hustles. Meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who used AI content creation tools to build a thriving freelance writing business, earning over $5,000 per month. Or John, a graphic designer who incorporated AI design tools into his workflow and doubled his client base in just 3 months. These are just a few examples of the countless individuals who are leveraging AI to achieve financial freedom and live life on their own terms. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. The AI revolution is still in its early stages, which means there's a massive opportunity for early adopters to establish themselves as leaders in this emerging market. By embracing AI now, you can gain a competitive advantage, command premium prices, and secure your financial future. Don't wait on the sidelines while others are cashing in. The longer you wait, the more difficult it will be to break into this rapidly growing industry. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. This isn't science fiction, this is a once-in-a-generation opportunity to leverage cutting-edge technology to achieve your financial goals and design the life of your dreams. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the AI side hustle revolution today, and start building your empire. The only thing stopping you is you. Don't miss out on the AI revolution. Subscribe now, and start your journey to financial freedom.